Hi, my name is Spencer. I'm the mad scientist here at AFS. Today we'll be going over our product and how we keep you and your lab safe. This is essentially a pre-packed filter cartridge that contains different filter media such as silica and clay. They come sealed top and bottom to keep you and your lab safe and clean and free from breathing any harmful dust or debris. Most conventional CRC methods require a column such as this that people have to put on a respirator and a suit to pack silica and clays into to be able to filter their extract. With us, no such need. It's that easy. No need for a respirator, no need to suit up. Simply insert, select which adapter you need to run it on your system, place it on, clamp it in place, and you're good to go. One of the biggest benefits to having your media pre-packed in our cartridges is the amount of time you save. Time saved on cleaning, also time saved on packing your filters to be able to use in your process. When you receive your AFS cartridges, simply pull them out of the box, verify you got the right cartridge, and unwrap the cellophane wrapper. Once you have your cartridge unwrapped, inspect to make sure the foil seal is good and intact. Also inspect the bottom of your cartridge to make sure there is no damage to the paper on the bottom. Once you've confirmed that, go ahead and peel your foil top. When peeling the foil top, sometimes there may be a foil remnants. There's no need to scrape off the remnants. It is perfectly fine to operate with that in place. Once you've unwrapped your cartridge, simply slide it in your housing. Make sure it's packed. Then you're good to go. Put on your acceptable adapter, clamp, and put into place on your system. Depending on your biomass quality as well as your quantity, your run size, we offer various different sizes of cartridges for you to be able to filter your product. We offer 2.5, 4-inch, and 6-inch cartridges. The 2.5-inch cartridge is good for roughly 5 pounds of biomass. The 4-inch is good for roughly 15 pounds of biomass, and the 6-inch for 40 pounds. We also offer various levels of color remediation with our light, medium, and heavy blends so you can truly achieve the color you're looking for in your extract. We'll also be releasing a few new blends here that we've partnered with LusterMax to produce. We've curated a blend called Simply Cured for cured trim. This will allow your solution to come out as close to neutral on the pH scale as possible while running the CRC process. We also have a new live resin blend called Live. It is curated to make sure your solution comes out completely free of water during the CRC process. We also have a pure blend that is essentially a clay cart that comes available to be top dressed to your liking to achieve the results you're looking for. Our cartridges are patented. This is the only way to keep you and your lab particulate free, to not have silicon dust all over you, your employees, and your product.